Here's how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. I'll show you how to add a text or image watermark. Go to the Design tab. On the right side, click Watermark. This opens the Watermark gallery, where you can select a preset like Confidential or Disclaimers. If you want to create your own watermark, click Custom Watermark at the bottom of the gallery. Here you can choose between Text Watermark or Picture Watermark. To add a text, select Text Watermark. Then type the text you want in the text box, such as internal use or company copy. You can adjust the font, size, color, and layout. Then click OK. Word will apply the watermark to your complete document. To add an image or logo, select Picture Watermark. Click Select Picture. Under From a File, click Browse. Select your image, then click Insert. Make sure the washout option is enabled so the watermark appears lighter and does not interfere with the text. Then click OK. Your image will now appear behind the document content. That's it. You've successfully added a watermark in Microsoft Word. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.